I know, that stuff is tremendously offensive. Whoa, look at that. I didn't know what that was. That one didn't go all the way, guy. That too. That's definitely. Oh, I didn't even know where you put that one. That one's evil. I'm telling you. Let's see what else you got over there. And what else is evil over there, peeps? Oh, those coasters are really evil. They got pictures of birds on them. Those are evil coasters. They are. They're evil. What are you going to do with all those evil things? Please don't chew on the cables to that, okay? I'll never find that. Or that.